Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews and insights about the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Evridwear 20PCS Premium Cotton Comfort Cushion Finger Toe Thumb Cot Sleeves, the best cotton finger cots available. Whether you're dealing with eczema, skin cracking, calluses, or you just want extra protection for your fingertips, this product offers comfort, versatility, and long-lasting durability. First off, let's talk about the material. These finger cots are made from soft, breathable cotton that helps wick away moisture, making them ideal for keeping your hands dry and comfortable throughout the day. The long length ensures that they can cover your fingers, toes, and thumbs with ease, providing a snug, yet comfortable fit for various hand and foot conditions. Whether you need them for protection during physical activity or as a comfort layer inside work gloves, they have you covered. Now, if you're someone who suffers from eczema, these finger cots will quickly become your new best friend. They provide a barrier that helps protect irritated skin while allowing it to heal. They're also perfect for covering cuts, bruises, or calluses that need some time to recover. The soft cotton material won't irritate your skin, and it offers gentle, yet effective protection. If you've recently had a manicure or pedicure, these finger cots are also perfect for protecting your freshly done nails. You can wear them to prevent damage and ensure your nails stay pristine. And it doesn't end there. These versatile finger cots can also be used for a variety of other purposes, like preventing nail biting or even protecting your hardwood floors from scratches by putting them on furniture legs. One of the standout features of the Evridwear finger cots is their multi-functional design. They're not just for your fingers. You can easily use them on your toes to prevent rubbing or blisters from shoes. If you're someone who enjoys playing sports, like basketball or volleyball, you'll find these finger cots offer great protection during the game, shielding your fingers from injury while keeping them comfortable. The set comes with 20 finger cots, giving you plenty of supply to get you through daily activities. They're easy to store, lightweight, and convenient for travel. Plus, they offer great value for the price, making them a practical and affordable solution to finger and toe protection. All in all, the Evridwear 20PCS Premium Cotton Comfort Cushion Finger Toe Thumb Cot Sleeves are a must-have for anyone in need of a protective and comfortable solution for their hands and feet. Whether you're dealing with skin irritation, looking for extra comfort during physical activities, or need to protect your nails, these finger cots are a game-changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and product insights.